Orr Luak Singaporean hawker oyster omelette. Ingredients: 16 oysters, 180 grams. 2 tablespoons ginger juice. 3/4 of a teaspoon white ground pepper. 60 grams sweet potato flour. 20 grams rice flour. 180 milliliters water. 1/3 of a teaspoon salt. 20 grams garlic chives, chopped. 3 eggs, 55 grams each. 5 tablespoons cooking oil. 3 teaspoons fish sauce. 2 teaspoons sesame oil. 1 garlic clove, chopped. 1 stalk of Chinese celery, cut into 1 centimeter lengths. Directions: 1. Place the oysters in a bowl. Add the ginger juice and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Mix well and leave it to marinate for 10 minutes. 2. In another bowl, add the sweet potato flour and rice flour. Add the water and mix well. 3. Season the batter with 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground white pepper and 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. 4. Add the garlic chives and mix well. Set aside. 5. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat. Set aside. 6. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to the frying pan over medium heat. Add the batter with garlic chives to the pan and let it cook for 30 seconds. 7. Pour in the beaten egg and use the frying slice to spread it over the batter. Add the fish sauce and remaining 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Add the sesame oil. Use the frying slice to spread the seasoning around the egg. Cook for 45 seconds. 8. As the omelette begins to set, use the frying slice to have it. Flip each half over. 9. Crack the last egg on top of the omelette and spread it over the omelette. Cook for 30 seconds and turn the halves over again. 10. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil around the sides of the pan. Fry for 1 minute until the omelette is slightly browned. Switch off the heat and remove the omelette from the pan and place on a serving plate. Wipe the pan clean. 11. Over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and fry the chopped garlic. Add the oysters and fry for 45 seconds. 12. Switch off the heat and remove the oysters from the pan. Place them on top of the omelette. Garnish with Chinese celery and serve immediately.